guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to cash out from Farmers World into your GCash account. Okay, so let's start. First, you need to click Play and Earn. As you can see, Play and Earn, and you will be redirected here. You just have to log in using your Wax wallet. And this is now my account. I have two access, one stone axe, and also two bronze membership cards. And how to cash out, you just have to click this one over here, the exchange. So I have here 18.20 wood, so you can just type in here 18.20, okay? And then you will get 17.28 something Farmers World wood as an exchange of your mined woods in the game. So you just have to click withdraw and then just wait for this transaction to be successful. Okay, it's successful now, so let's go to Alcor exchange this time. Okay, so you will need Alcor, guys, wherein you will swap your FWW to wax. Okay, so I have here FWW. You just have to search here if you need to, and then wax, and then just click the maximum amount of FWW that you want to withdraw, and then you will get 54.79 something amount of wax. So you just have to click swap and wait for the transaction to be successful, and then just confirm here. Okay, now let's go to our wax wallet. So this is our wax wallet. So just refresh. So I have now 57.35 amount of wax. So this time we will send this to our Binance account. Okay, so let's go to our Binance. So this is my account. You have to go to your wallet and then fiat and spot. Just click that. I know my eyes look real weird because of the glasses. So excuse my eyes, guys. Okay, so this is our account, and what you're going to do, you just have to click deposit, okay, because we will deposit here our wax. And as you click this, you have to choose what coin. Okay, so let's search here wax P. And the network, of course, under wax. And then, okay, then just copy this address, Wax on Binance, and go back to your Wax wallet, and then you click send because we'll be sending Wax. So I have here 57.35 Wax, so I will type here 57.30 maybe, and then next, and then the Wax address, go back to your Binance, and then copy the memo, then go back and then paste. Okay, then click next. And then wait for the transaction to be successful. Okay, it is now successful. You just have to wait for how many minutes until your wax arrives on your Binance account. Okay, now this time let's go to our wallet again and then fiat and spot. Anyway, you might wait around 20 minutes until your wax arrive on your Binance wallet. So don't worry if it takes a bit long because that's normal. Okay, so we have here, I already transferred a while ago 1,629 amount of wax. So this time we will try to trade this amount of wax on Binance. Okay, so what we're going to do, we go to market, we go to trade, and then go to advanced. Okay, so here you have to search, guys, wax P2 USDT. And okay, what we're going to do, we will sell our 1,629 amount of wax to USDT. Okay, so 100%. And then let's just go to the market price. So whatever the price of the market is, that's going to be the price of the wax that we will sell in exchange for USDT. Sell wax. Okay, it's already filled. So let's go back to our account on our wallet. And here we will see that our wax is already on USD. Okay, so we have now 468 USDT, guys. So this time, we're going to transfer this to our GCash account. Okay. So what you're going to do, you have to click transfer. Okay. And then from fiat and spot, you just have to click funding. So we don't have anymore the P2P. And then search for the token that you want. I mean, yeah, not box. The token that you want to transfer. Okay, and then let's click maximum, confirm. Okay, it is now on our funding, as you can see. I understand. So P2P wallet integrated under the funding wallet. So it's now under funding, guys, the P2P. So what we're going to do, we will sell our USDT in exchange for in exchange of peso. Okay, so let's go to sell because we're going to sell our USDT, and then okay, PHP, and then Gcash. If you have your Gcash, where is it? I, okay, so you have to filter out, guys. So we have here 49.70 and the minimum order is 49,000. So we can't make it. So I guess this one will do 12,500 as the minimum. So we will sell our USDT. Okay. All of our USDT. So I will receive 23,271 using my Gcash. Okay. So sell USDT. Okay, here it is. As you can see, I have here my mobile number. And then you have a note, guys, never release crypto before you have received bank or e-wallet payment. Okay, you have to wait for the confirmation. So you can also message the person, hi, waiting forever for you. Hi, sana. Okay, guys, so successful na siya. Ayan. And also, the person sent a message saying that it's already sent. So, okay. So after refreshing, you just have to confirm release. Okay, make sure that exact amount was sent. And then get the code, so you have to verify also. Okay, let's wait for the code. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's already successful. So that's how you cash out your earnings from Farmers World into your Binance, into your GCash account. Okay, and be careful, guys, with any scammers on online. Okay, be careful lang. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you, especially if you are having some confusions about how to cash out your earnings. So thank you so much, and have a great day, everyone. Bye.